and granted me a wish. He said, go, go on and get gone. Get while the getting is good. So I ran like hell for the higher ground, and I got there faster than I thought I would. Tornado season in Mississippi. Mississippi.